we're here again, and I'm here again, and they're here again too.
Together again.
I think we are really lost, and luckily the tires are burned out. So
Stop for a while because there is a problem.
yeah. And here's our coach to comfort us all. Hey coach.
Meron na kayo sombrero. Meron lang. This is Ash. Ash of Pokemon. Ash.
Ashley Nicole, the camera.
As in, abong.
Guard ng mga kaibigan. Makain talaga ng
Hey guys,
grabe yung
featuring our friends, our new friends,
Wait, ready the cameraman.
Ren, Lawrence, and yeah, featuring our friends.
They are skaters, man.
Yeah,
Skater
they are really good skater. Banging skater.
Pocket skater. What pocket skater? No?
Kasi nga we're really good eh. Rin namin.
Okay, so I think we're gonna solve. Our driver is gonna solve the problem. So I'm gonna leave you now, and we're gonna go on with our way. Okay, bye.